So with Sil-Nylon tarps like this here, means it is light, so the wind will pick it up, and it needs some sort of shock absorber on each of the corners, and that's what we're going to make. Welcome to bexbugoutsurvivor Quick Tips. So corner of the tarp, and I've tied on a length of shock cord, and it's going to combat the wind a little like a shock absorber. And I also want to tie to this corner the actual line itself, the guy line. This tarp can get the better of you even in a light wind, just because it is Sil-Nylon. So I've got about 3 meters of my guy line, thread it through the actual corner webbing of the tarp, and tie in a quick bow line. So figure 6, small tail comes through the 6, around the long bit on the floor and back through the loop of the figure 6 away from me, and that's that bit in. So with this elastic line, which I can stretch here, I'm going to take it about thumb to little finger span, and then I'm going to give the actual line itself, not the elastic, a little bit of sag. The amount of sag I give is about 4 fingers width. I'm going to tie an overhand knot, so bring both pieces behind and in. The elastic will be doing some of the work. When the wind picks up and lifts the tarp, it causes the actual main line here to tighten. When you peg it out, just ensure it does have a little bit of play here. It's going to ensure that this part doesn't come loose, and that is how we're going to stop this from flapping about too much, and give it tension when it's needed and less tension when it's not.